Hello and welcome. So let's do 2021 paper from EC branch, and what we are doing is linear algebra question. So just to give you an information that we have already solved from 2023-22 EC paper and linear algebra. Also, we have solved last 5 year PYQ from statistics and also from the mathematics linear algebra, all according to the syllabus of data science and artificial intelligence. So let's jump to the question. So today we will be solving 2021 ECE. So we don't have much question from these branches, but it is good to solve this question if you don't have any PYQ, right? Okay, there were few questions, I have seen that. So the first question is 16. If the vectors, so these three vectors we have given in RQ space are linearly dependent, and the information we have given about these vectors that these are linearly dependent. So what does it mean to be a linearly dependent? So it means that there exists some combination of these vectors that will produce a zero vector apart from the zero, right? So okay, so there are a lot of way to look at the linear dependence. Also, if we can say that all of these will be in the same subspace, right? So these will form a singular matrix, and that singular matrix will have the zero determinant. So you can easily form a matrix like this: 1 minus 2, sorry, 1 minus 1 and 2 and 7 3 x 2 3 1. And what we can say about this matrix is that it will be a singular matrix, or a not a invertible matrix. You cannot have the inverse of this matrix because we have the columns that are linearly dependent, and the determinant, if you take the determinant of this matrix, then it will give you determinant 0. So we can make use of that and we can find the value. So you can easily expand. So here we will have 3 minus 3x minus 7, right? And here we will have minus 1 and minus 6 plus 2 times minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now 3 minus 3x and minus, no, here we will have plus 49, right? And minus 2x and minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we can write this as 5x, and here we will have 49 plus 352 and minus 12, that will be 40. So x is equal to 8. So 8 is the correct answer for this. Let's move to next question. I think there is one more question from this. Yes. Question number 36. A 2 by 2 non-singular matrix. A non-singular means it will be invertible and all the columns of A will be independent. Okay, so let's read the question. A real 2 by 2 non-singular matrix A will repeated eigenvalue is given as Okay, so we have repeated eigenvalue of this matrix A where x is a real positive number. So x is a real positive number. Great. The value of x is, so it's a 2 by 2 matrix, right? So what we can say about the trace, so we will have the trace 4 plus x sum of the diagonal, that will be equal to, let's assume, lambda, and it is repeated eigenvalue, so both the eigenvalue will be lambda. And one more info from this matrix we can get is determinant, and the determinant will be 4x plus 9, and this will be equal to product of the eigenvalue. So we have repeated eigenvalue, so that will be lambda square. Now from here we can find the lambda square, right? And there we can put, so yes, I think everything is good. So lambda square is equal to, okay, here we will have 2 lambda, right? Sum of the uh, so here we will have 2 lambda because sum of the trace will be equal to sum of the eigenvalue. Sum of the diagonal element will be equal to sum of the eigenvalue, and here we will have, now if we find lambda square, then it will be 1 divided by 4 plus x whole square, right? And that lambda square we can put here. Then we will have, let's first expand this one, so we will have 1 by 4, 16 plus 8x plus x square. So overall we are going to get is 4 plus 2x plus x square divided by 4. We can put lambda square here, right? So we will have 4x plus 9 is equal to 4 plus 2x plus x square divided by 4. Now we can simplify. We will have x square divided by 4 and minus 2x and minus 5 is equals to 0. So here we will have x square minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. We can factorize it, x square minus 8, so 10x minus, no, plus 2x minus 20. So we cannot take this because x is a real positive number, so x is equals to 10 is the correct answer for this. Okay, that was the, I think there is no more question from matrix or linear algebra, right? There is no more question. So that was 2 question from 2021 paper ECE. Next we will look at 2020. That is all from my side in this video. Thank you.